Hi, I'm Arian. Our Thermomix has just arrived to our house today and we are going to unbox it and see how it looks like. The first thing you will see in the box are two mini guides, one about food and one about the TM6. The second item you will find is the book named The Basic Cookbook. In the book, it has introduction, guidance, recipes, and resources. The next item you will find is the TM6 manual. It is technically just a manual for the TM6. I may look emotionless, but this Thermomix is very cute. I'm just joking, do not take that seriously. Finally got the plastic of the Thermomix. And gonna be honest, looks great. The Thermomix comes fully equipped with its parts. The parts are called Varoma, mixing bowl lid, mixing knife, simmering basket, and a few more. We accidentally deleted the part where we showed you the parts for the Thermomix. Sorry. That's all for now. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.